In this video, I will show you how to download and install DStv on your Hisense Smart TV. Now, over here I have the Hisense Vida Smart TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Hisense TV you have, whether you have the Hisense Vida Smart TV just like this one, or the Hisense Android or the Hisense Google TV. By the end of this video, you should be able to download, install and watch DStv on any Hisense TV you have. And to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your Hisense TV is connected to the internet. Mine over here is currently connected to the internet. And one important information you have to note is the fact that most Hisense TVs that are coupled in Africa usually have the DStv app pre-installed on the TV. Like mine over here has the DStv app already installed on the TV. But for some Hisense TV, you will actually have to download and install the DStv app yourself into the TV. And this brings us to the first method to download and install DStv into our Hisense Vida Smart TV. By the way, I'll be taking you through three methods. So the first method is to get it from the App Store of your Hisense Smart TV. And to do this, you want to basically head over to the App Store or Google Play Store of your Hisense Smart TV. Now, if you're using the Hisense Vida Smart TV, just go ahead and open up the App Store. But if you're using the Hisense Google or Hisense Android TV, then you will have to go over to the Google Play Store of the TV. For the Hisense Vida Smart TV like this one, just scroll down to this list of apps over here, and then you want to navigate horizontally, and you can literally see that over here. If you're using the Hisense Android or Hisense Google TV, come over to the app section of your TV at the top of the TV, and you should be able to find the Google Play Store or App Store of your Hisense Android or Hisense Google TV. Now, once you locate the Google Play Store, go ahead and open it up directly from here. And from the App Store or Google Play Store of your Hisense TV, there should be a search bar at the top of the TV. So you just want to navigate to this search icon. Whether you're using the Hisense Android or Hisense Google TV, you will also find the search bar. Now select it, and then you want to go ahead and search for DStv. So just search for DStv. And once you're done searching, go ahead and click on the enter button over here. And from here, you should be able to find the DStv Now app or the DStv Stream app on your Hisense TV. Now, all you just have to do is to go ahead and select it and then just click on the install button, and you should be able to download and install the DStv app into your Hisense Smart TV without any issue. And once it is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up, and basically this is how the DStv app actually looks like. In my case over here, the DStv app is already downloaded and installed into the TV, so I won't have to click on the install button. It automatically opens up DStv for me on my TV. But if you do not have it, you will have to click on the download and install button to get it into your TV and then open it up over here. Now basically this is just one method to download and install DStv on your Hisense Smart TV. Another method, if you're not able to find the DStv app on your Hisense Vida Smart TV or your Hisense Google TV or your Hisense Android TV, is to basically access DStv using the browser of your TV. Now basically most Hisense Smart TVs actually come with a browser pre-installed. If you do not have a browser, you can as well just go over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your Hisense Smart TV and get a browser. In my case, the Hisense Vida Smart TV over here already has a browser, and you can literally see the browser over here. So I'll just go ahead and open up this browser. If you're using the Hisense Android or Hisense Google TV, proceed to the Google Play Store and download any browser of your choice into the TV, and then just go ahead and open up the browser just like so. Now from your browser, you want to head over to the top search input field. So come over here, and then you want to go ahead and search for DStv, and then you want to scroll down and click on the enter button over here. Basically what you want to do at this point is to just scroll down and then go ahead and click on the official DStv link. And once it loads, you basically just want to sign up for DStv from over here if you do not already have an account. But if you have an account, you can just scroll over to the top and then click on the sign in button over here. Basically the idea is that if you're able to sign into your DStv account on your TV from the browser, you should be able to watch and access DStv from the browser as well. So at this point, you want to basically just scroll over to the input field over here. Go ahead and enter your DStv email, that is the email that is registered with DStv, and then your DStv password as well. Once you're done, you should be able to sign in and then use DStv from the browser of your TV. Now my final method to be able to download and install DStv on your Hisense Smart TV is to basically get a TV stick or a TV box just like this one over here. Now you see, this is actually the Mi TV stick, and it is a very affordable device that you can connect connects to any Hisense TV you have, and it automatically gives your Hisense TV the Android operating system it needs for you to be able to watch DStv content. I currently have it connected to my Hisense Vida Smart TV over here, and basically once it is connected to any of the HDMI ports on your Hisense TV, you basically just want to change the input source of the TV to the same HDMI input source where the device is connected to, and automatically it gives your TV that Android operating system it needs for you to be able to download DStv app and even watch DStv content on any Hisense TV you have. So basically, if you come over to the app section, you can just go over to the Google Play Store. So basically it comes with the Google Play Store because it has the Android operating system obviously, and from the search bar at the top over here, you should be able to search for DStv inside of this input field, and from here you should be able to download and install the DStv app just as I have installed it inside of this device already, and then just go ahead and open it up directly from here. Meanwhile, I have made a complete tutorial on how to sign in and set up the DStv app after you must have installed it on any TV you have, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that particular video in the description of this video, so you want to check it out and then just proceed to set up the DStv app on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.